Should I say hello?
You can say whatever you want.
Oh my god. Hey everybody, my name is Katarina Poletto and I'm the Chief Dessert Designer and founder of Dolled Up Desserts. In university, I developed about like 60 or 70 different intolerances. My digestive system was just really messed up. I used to bake all the time for myself. And so I wasn't gonna give up baking just because I couldn't eat it anymore. So I, took it upon myself to learn how to bake for my allergies. And now I own a business that does it, so I guess we're pretty good. Dolled Up Desserts is a gluten-free and vegan bakery and ingredient manufacturing company here in Hamilton, Ontario. We're a fully female-owned, female-operated business. We make gluten-free and vegan desserts, cookies, bars, cakes especially, as well as a variety of other things. But what really makes us stand out is we don't just make things that are for people who are allergen-friendly. We make inclusive dessert, which means it's something that you'll want to share with everybody. In my family, food is like a really, really important thing. We all get together, we have massive feasts all the time, and all the matriarchs and women in my family are all super bakers. They just go all out with the baked goods all the time. And so that's kind of where I got my whole baking thing from. The reason I keep doing it, honestly, is twofold. The first reason is because of the community and customers that we've built. The other reason that keeps me going actually is our team and our employees. I've had the opportunity to employ and work with some of the most amazing and incredible women, like the hardest workers, and they all get behind the brand and bring it forward. And I don't think I would be here if it wasn't for them. The treats are one thing, but the team really is so important. New. I like innovating, I like R&D, I love the process of seeing something or trying something when I'm traveling or whatever and be like, you know what, this was great, let's make it gluten-free and vegan so everybody can have it. It's about how can we make it as good or better, like how can I get that memorable moment of when I tasted it once, like whether it was years ago or now, and how can I make it that good but something that everybody can enjoy. I love doing R&D.
You say there's a number of super bakers in the family. Does anybody ever show up to family dinner super baked?
Me.